If you suffer from anxiety, try this. Did you know that the mint family includes a tiny, creeping plant known as lemon balm? It smells amazing and is a genuine beauty, with fragrant lemon-scented leaves and lovely blooms. But it's also not a slouch when it comes to health advantages. Lemon balm is a Mediterranean native that has long been used in cooking and as a natural remedy. Lemon balm has attracted interest as a possible therapy for anxiety disorders in recent years. It's believed to improve mood and cognitive function while reducing feelings of stress and tension. Both fresh and dried lemon balm can be utilized in culinary and medicinal applications. Terpenes and flavonoids, which are antioxidant compounds considered to be responsible for the anxiolytic or anti-anxiety benefits of lemon balm, are abundant in all varieties of this herb. Once ingested, lemon balm is said to function by decreasing certain brain chemicals and promoting a calming feeling. The term anxiety is used to describe a broad range of concerns or worry-based responses to demanding circumstances. Symptoms can include feeling on edge, being tense, trouble concentrating, feeling scared, and intrusive thoughts. Physical reactions such as an elevated heart rate, fast breathing, perspiration, and exhaustion can result from these symptoms. It's not necessarily a sure marker of anxiety to experience any of these emotions over the course of your life. But when these reactions start to become excessive or persistent, interfering with everyday tasks or lowering your quality of life, that's when you could be moving into the region of an anxiety disorder. According to studies, lemon balm may aid with anxiety symptoms by improving mood and lowering stress hormone levels. Lemon balm has also been demonstrated to enhance cognitive performance and lessen tension-related stress. There is a lot that seems promising, according to a review and analysis of past research on the anti-anxiety effects of lemon balm published in 2021. According to the study's results, lemon balm dramatically reduced participants' levels of anxiety and sadness when compared to a placebo. Another study of literature from 2018 discovered that lemon balm suppressed a neurotransmitter in the central nervous system that is related to anxiety. Although it had a better safety and tolerability profile, lemon balm displayed anti-anxiety effects equivalent to those of conventional pharmacological treatments. Here are some suggested preparations and dosages for lemon balm if you want to give it a try. Aromatherapy. Diffuse a few drops of essential oil or apply a few drops to your pulse points. Remember to first dilute with a carrier oil if applied to the skin. Make a cup of tea by adding 1/4 to 1 teaspoon of dried lemon balm to boiling water. Add lemon balm powder or leaves to the food you're cooking. Take 300 to 500 milligrams of supplements up to 3 times a day. Take up to 60 drops of the tincture daily. Extract. For anxiety, use 300 mg twice a day for 15 days, or 1,200 mg once daily for premenstrual dysphoric disorder-related stress and tension. There is evidence that lemon balm and other herbal medicines may work even better together to reduce anxiety. Lemon balm is frequently used with natural alternatives including valerian, lavender, passion flower, and ashwagandha. To experience lemon balm's calming properties, you won't have to wait very long. 1 hour is usually enough for its anxiety-reducing effects to become apparent, and it can provide 4 to 8 hours of tension-relieving benefits. The biology of your body, the sort of lemon balm you use, and the amount you use all affect how long it takes for effects to occur. The bottom line is simply that studies truly have proven that lemon balm can help reduce anxiety, so go ahead and try some today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.